Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a 10 minutes intense core workout. This workout, it will involve of lots of contraction movements and very fast movement. So we do a 3 circuits and we only do it a lower reps, and gradually in terms of the second circuits we'll get more reps for finish off. You can also cooperate with this workout routine, upper body and work lower body workouts. So it's a mat and no equipment needed and only body weight. So it's how good is that? So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first movement is a forearm dip side to side. So we're moving to the sides, left and right. Okay, using all this muscle, this left and right is one rep. So we do 20.
Letting you go. You were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I wait for you to...
Okay, now the other movement is stretching yourself lower and then push yourself up. Okay. One more. Okay. Then you're turning around. We're doing a crunches. So in the crunches, we're just lying on the mat and just line up. 2.
I'm starting to forget what you sound like, 'cause now that it's over, I'm by myself.
Okay, then V up. Let's start. Okay, touching like that. If you can't really do that, you just do. Two more. Okay, rock yourself side to side and we do our side crunch. So have your forearms is lying that. Your left hand in the back. We just push yourself up and down, up. Okay, now we change sides and you do 10. Do the same thing here and move yourself. Bring yourself up. Okay, now the next movement is the leg raise. So put your hand in here, that says, and up. We do 12. Contracts your muscle. Okay, then the next one is we just same things, but we don't leg rise, and we do crunch, reverse crunch. Okay, all right, this is the first round done. We're going to move into the second round. Have a word. Now the second round starts, so you know the movement is got easier now. So floor arms and move side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 10. Okay, now we do a quick movement. It's just sing and rise it up. Last one. Okay, now you're moving the other side. Come back and we do the crunch. So the first crunches we do is slide your hand. Okay, rock yourself, reset, and we do sit it down here, then we do the V up. So the first start, okay, then we move to the side crunch. The left hand here and bring yourself up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, move the other side. And here. Last one. Okay, now moving yourself up and we do the leg raise. Hand here and just move yourself, contract and up. Last one. Okay, then we have the crunches just in the knee and up. Last one. Whew. Whew. And we go to the second round, last round. Okay, now you own all the movement. Do it in the last round, and we're done. Okay, let's same things again, and side deep, side to side. Ready? 1, 2. Three more. Whew. Okay, then we go to the up, down, and up, down. Really using your to contract. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, moving around, we do the crunches. Same as before, you just have lying down and have your hand, it just slide. You really feel that your abs is working. Walk yourself. Last round. And then going up. Sit yourself up and have the size and trying to go into the V up. Bring yourself up. Okay, now we're going to the side crunches. Okay, forearm here, the left toe touching the ear, and bring yourself up to do the side crunches. 2.
I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering.
Okay, turning the other side. We're almost done. Whew. The other side. Bring yourself up and crunch.
Let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got?
2 more. Okay, then the last 2 movement is the leg raise and reverse leg raise and reverse crunch. Hand here, bring the legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rock yourself. And the last exercise, we're going to be push it down, bring yourself up. Last one, can feel that your abs is really working on fire. So then we're done, but without stretching the abs. And let me have a really well earned stretch. One more time. That's all done. Thank you. I see you next workout. Bye.